Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. One day, my CEO, he called me in his office and he said, Umer beta, we are going to sell this product. और सूरत हाल ये है कि हमने पहले भी लॉन्च किया था लेकिन वी नेवर गेट एनी ऑनलाइन सेल्स या फिजिकल सेल्स या कन्वेंशनल सेल्स नहीं मिली हमें. बट आई हैव सीन यू, I believe in your strategies that you have implemented in this organization from like last 1 year, and you have proven your results. So I need you to sell this product, and I need you to sell this product online. And I said, okay sir, I'll try my best, inshallah. Okay, अब मैंने क्या किया? क्या मैंने आगे बस प्रोडक्ट को वेबसाइट पर डाल दिया और इंतज़ार की तरह कस्टमर्स आएंगे? No, I didn't do this. I start studying about the product. I start investigating the benefits that my customers will get if they buy this product. I start inquiring about the unique selling proposition and the value of this product, and obviously the pricing strategy as well. And after my research and development, within like for 30 days, I created a product page. I listed the product on the website, and I created a blog post in which I floated every single detail about that product. And then I start working on the SEO optimization of the blog post and the product. And I link the product towards the blog post. Internal linking वाली strategy. तो internal linking वाली वीडियो देख लेना, मैं आई बटन में डाल दूंगा, आपको समझ आता है कि internal linking के कितना benefits हैं. And within 7 days, I received an online order from Jammu. And what I said to my CEO, that sir, if you want to get more online sales, you need to deliver an extraordinary service to this customer. छोटा कस्टमर था, लेकिन सर्विस जो है ना, वो जो 1 लाख रुपए की चीज़ खरीद रहा है ना, उसी के मुताबिक उसको सर्विस देनी है. And when we deliver an extraordinary service to that customer, he referred us to his affiliates, associates, and family members, and we start getting online sales. And since then, I mean, I have like generated 22 orders of that product online within a month. And it only happened with my research and development, with my faith, with my belief, with a positive attitude. So that's how you do online sales. That's how you do online selling. ऐसे करते हैं भाई. Concept समझ आ गया होगा. Start implementing this concept. You will become successful. Thank you.